In order to open the chart for the selected market, you have to click the Add Chart icon in the instrument list or the price window. The platform's chart module shows price changes, market fluctuations, and price history, and will be your primary focus when trading or performing technical analysis. The charts offer a large number of indicators which you can use. The drawing panel provides access to a full set of tools for implementing the most widely used methods for technical analysis. The chart can show bid or ask quotes in time frames ranging from a single tick to 1 month, with several time intervals in between.